With a bit of skill and creativity, even an ordinary garden plant can become multiple bonsai. Last year, I made a rose bonsai from my mother's abandoned rose bush, and it turned out pretty well. So today, I'm going back to the same bush to make another bonsai using one of the leftovers I've been growing. And stick around till the end as I also show you how last year's rose bonsai is doing now. These are the 3 leftover roses I saved. I haven't done much, just occasional pruning to keep them tidy. Now, it's time to choose the one that feels most promising for bonsai styling. Let's see. This one, the trunk and branches look dead except for this new shoot at the base. This one's a bit better, but again, only the new shoots are alive. And this one, I think I got a winner. The trunk has a nice curve and the structure feels promising. Let's go with this one. Before we jump into styling, let's quickly talk about timing. The best season to wire rose bonsai is from June to July because the roots are strong and the branches are flexible. Now it's already midsummer, so not ideal. But this rose looks healthy, and since I won't be doing the hard work, I think it's safe to proceed. First, when we repot, always prepare your pot and soil mix before you start working on the tree. Now, let's take a good look at the structure and decide how you can shape. I think I'm gonna cut this branch here. Guess what style I'm aiming for? Next, I'll apply wire, but not too tight to avoid stress. And also, no sharp bends. Just soft twists to gently guide into shape. Since I'm not doing any root pruning because it's summer, I'm placing it in a bigger pot to give the roots room. I'll be watching it closely over the next few weeks to make sure it stays healthy. Ta-da! Here's the result, my double trunk style bonsai. It's at the initial stage, but I like the direction it's heading. With time and care, I think it will turn into a lovely rose bonsai. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And as promised, here's how last year's rose bonsai is doing now. It was doing great until winter. It didn't overwinter well, probably because the pot was too small and I didn't insulate it. When I repotted in spring, I found most of the roots were dead. It's still alive, but this branch died off. And it hasn't bloomed as much this year, just 1 or 2 flowers so far. I'll be watching it closely through the summer and I plan to feed it well in fall to help it bounce back. I'll keep you posted how it's doing in the future video. Thank you always for watching and see you in the next video.